Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding the highly anticipated iPhone SE4. From leaks to wishlist features, we've got it all covered. So, let's jump right in. Alright, let's kick things off with the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the iPhone SE4. According to reports, Apple's mid-range marvel could be in for some serious upgrades. From a new design to enhanced features, here's what we know so far. First up, it's speculated that the iPhone SE4 might take design cues from the iPhone 14, sporting a sleek look with Face ID and a notch-free display. Additionally, rumors suggest the inclusion of an action button and the transition to USB-C. But that's not all. Reports hint at a larger 6.1-inch OLED display, a significant bump from its predecessor. Plus, with a potential weight reduction, the iPhone SE4 promises to pack a punch in a compact package. Now let's talk release date and pricing. While initial reports hinted at a 2025 launch, conflicting information has left us hanging. From doubts over its existence to predictions of a 2026 debut, the iPhone SE4's arrival remains shrouded in mystery. As for pricing, we can only speculate based on previous models. If history repeats itself, we might see a similar price point to the iPhone SE 2022, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Moving on to design and display, the iPhone SE4 is poised to shake things up. With rumors of a larger 6.1-inch screen and a notch-free design, coupled with vibrant color options, this device is set to turn heads. Leaked renders showcase a modernized look reminiscent of the iPhone XR, hinting at a seamless blend of style and functionality. And with Face ID rumored to make an appearance, security meets convenience in one sleek package. Now, let's focus on camera and battery enhancements. While details are scarce, whispers suggest a single-lens 12MP camera with advanced photography features. And with a potential battery boost courtesy of the iPhone 14's battery, longevity won't be an issue. Whether it's capturing stunning shots or powering through the day, the iPhone SE4 aims to deliver an unmatched user experience. Finally, let's explore our wishlist for the iPhone SE4. From design upgrades to storage options, here's what we're hoping to see. Firstly, a fresh design overhaul is long overdue. With competitors raising the bar, it's time for the iPhone SE4 to shine with a modern look. Next, increased starting storage is a must. In an era of multimedia content, 128 gigabytes should be the new standard, offering users ample space without breaking the bank. And speaking of affordability, a lower starting price would be a game changer. As the market gets more competitive, Apple needs to keep its budget-friendly reputation intact. Furthermore, a larger display would elevate the user experience. Whether it's for work or play, a bigger screen opens up a world of possibilities. Last but not least, a dual-camera setup would take photography to the next level. With versatile shooting options, users can unleash their creativity like never before. And there you have it, folks, the latest on the iPhone SE4, from leaks to wishlist features. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, happy exploring!